Hi guys, we're here to celebrate a beautiful, humble carrot. I bet a lot of you at the moment are growing these in your garden. What do you do with these? Throw them away, chop them off. Today we're going to make a great pesto using these. Even if you buy these in the supermarket with the tops on, it shows you how fresh these carrots are, how fresh the green tops are. You just chop those up. We're going to make a great pesto. So for the recipe, you're going to need obviously your carrot tops, 100 ml of virgin olive oil. I'm using some walnuts. Use pine nuts, cashew nuts, peanuts. Just don't get them salted. 50 grams of those. We've got zest and juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to use some fresh mint as well to get that nice summery flavour into there. 25 grams of grated parmesan. 2 cloves of garlic. So we'll start off, so we're taking those tops off. With these carrots, when you're using these, they're so fresh, there's no need to peel them. Just give them a good wash, good scrub, cook them whole like that, beautiful. Roast them like that, really good. Good old English carrot. And with your tops, just chop them down slightly. We don't really want those stalks, yeah? That's the one thing we're going to throw away in this recipe. And those carrot tops go straight into a food processor. Along with your mint. So, go in there. 2 cloves of garlic. Straight in. Nuts, those going in. Parmesan. And lemon juice. All in there together. So easy, so simple. So beautiful. We give that a good blitz. That's roughly chopped up now. Just slowly start adding the olive oil. So blitz that down, a couple of minutes, still quite nice and coarse. Just need to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper into there, and we are done. Beautiful. There we are, a great little pesto, something you're just going to throw away. I'm going to serve this, so we get our carrots, yeah, no need to peel them, yeah. Chop those down into nice battens. Great little snack. Those little, small little gatherings you're getting in your garden for your social distancing. A little pesto on there. That is beautiful. The mint comes through really nice. The garlic, oh, you've got to give that a go.